Hi, this is Andrew. Now, today I'm going to show you how you too can create a Facebook shop in Malaysia right now. And this is just newly open for Malaysian. Okay, right now we're in the Facebook business shop page. So just go to facebook.com/business/shops, yeah, with the S. All right, so when you come here, basically you can see sell from anywhere in your customized online shop. Now I just noticed this like a couple days ago. So I think it's only available to Malaysian just a couple days ago. If you can come to this page and you can click on this, get started, then you can access to the so-called shop. Now, here, start setting up your shop, all right? So I've been just playing around with these shops for like just this morning. Now, so what you do is start setting up shops. You got three options. One is your website, meaning that if you have your own website, your web store, which is the highly recommended one, yeah, people will be able to browse on this shop. Then they will send it to your website or web store to do payment and so on to check out. Yeah, if you do not have your own website and web store, you can contact us and we will help you to build one. Yeah, you can click on the link below and message us on that. The next thing is that you can also check out on Facebook or Instagram. I have not tried this yet because you got to pay with the Facebook Pay. The third option is direct message. So what you do is a customer will see your products and then they'll click and then they'll message you. Then you can discuss over your product, tell them or present more about your products, and then later arrange on a payment with them manually. So there are three options. So let's get started. Simple. Okay, I'm going to just like play around with this. So click get started. Then choose a business. Now I have like a couple of this page. So just simply choose one. Okay. Then next. Then just go and choose my business account. Next. All right, so name your new catalog. So I'm going to set up a catalog, means a product catalog. So I'm going to call this, let's say, t-shirts. T-shirts. Okay. So everything okay, then create shops. All right, so here, welcome to the shop, get started. All right, so then I can add products to my catalog. So simply you can click on here, add items. So there are many different methods for this demo to show you add manually. Click next. Then the image. Now I have downloaded a t-shirt image, just put it there. So you put your product's image right over here and then put the name. Let's say here, let's eat t-shirt. Okay, description, you can put in whatever your description here. All right, over here. Then if your website link, you can put in there. Then this is sales price and then price in Malaysian ringgit. Let's put like 20 ringgit. Okay, if you want to control the inventory, you have that. These are most probably if you have your own e-commerce store or web store, then you know all this, right? You want to add variants, those like you have different colors, different size, you can add it over here. Let me just click and show you. All right, add colors, you can have colors, custom fit, format, materials, sizes, and so on. Then you can put it over here. Then different size, you can set different pricing as well. All right, so I'm not going to do that. So click here and then I just add products. Okay, condition here means okay, this is new. So it means that you can also sell like used or refurbished products here. All right, I miss out here. 20 ringgit, just need to enter it. All right, now it's done. Add another product. Okay, nope, done. Yep, so my product is here. So the next thing I need to set up is the shops. All right, so I need to set up the shop means that the look and feel of your shops. How does it looks like? Yeah. So this is like light mode. You can also have light mode, dark mode. All right. The style. You can change the button style. Let's say I want a red one. Okay. So the button change. Okay. You can set the text, button, colors, and so on. Okay. All right. So now roughly do that. Then I go back to overview. Okay, view and customize shops. Overview here. Then let's say finish. I'm going to publish. So then I can just submit and publish. So we'll notify. It's done. So basically, this is how simple you can set up your Facebook shop right now. Now, if you want to learn more, you can always click there, learn more. Then it will take you to the business help center, and then about customizing, create your Facebook page shop, set up your Facebook shops in the commerce manager. Okay, so it has all this here. We'll teach you how to do that. All right, so now I'm just showing a quick glance of the Facebook shop and how you can create your own Facebook shop right now easily. So go and test it out. Now, test it out and then let me know your feedback. How do you feel? And if you have further questions, just put your comments right below and I'll try my best to answer you. If you like this video, please share to the friends who would like to set up their own online business or e-commerce business so that they can also use these new features in Facebook, which is only recently available to Malaysian. Now, if you watched my earlier video on about Facebook shop tutorial, that was like a couple months ago, it's totally different. Now this one has a full functionality or more functionality on the e-commerce. So I will encourage you go and try it out and please share to the friends and like this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell so that when we publish e-commerce or online business tips to help you grow online, you will be notified. And meanwhile, you can watch some of this video on how do you create your own e-commerce business. And right below, we also have a link for you to go and register for my free e-commerce course.